In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Salesforce to Excel sheet. Let's start right where the action happens, in your Salesforce report. Open the report you want to export so you can see the data exactly as it's currently filtered and grouped. Taking a second to confirm your filters and date ranges here will save you from exporting the wrong slice of data later. Once your report is open, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small caret icon, the little downward arrow next to the Edit button. Click that caret to open the Report Actions menu. From this menu, choose Export. This brings up the Export window where you'll make a couple of important choices that determine how your data will look in Excel. You'll first choose the Export view. Formatted Report is ideal if you want the export to mirror what you see on screen. It includes the report header, your groupings, and your filter settings, so it's perfect for sharing a polished, presentation-ready file. If your report uses summaries or groupings that matter to your audience, this is the view that preserves that structure. Details only gives you a flat, row-by-row export of the underlying records without the extra grouping and formatting. This is great if you plan to analyze, pivot, or transform the data in Excel, or if you're moving it into another tool. Think of it as a clean data set designed for manipulation and deeper analysis. After you've chosen your export view, select the Excel format. If you see an option for .xlx, that's the native Excel format and typically the easiest for immediate use in Excel. It preserves column types nicely and opens without any extra steps. Then go ahead and click Export. Your file will download to your computer, usually to your default Downloads folder. From there, you can open it in Excel and continue working with it. If you exported the formatted report, you'll notice the familiar layout, complete with headers and groupings. If you exported details only, you'll have a clean table you can sort, filter, and pivot however you like. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If your report is huge, applying tighter filters before exporting can make the file more manageable and faster to open. And if you're sharing the file with others, adding a clear file name with a date helps keep versions organized. That's it. You've successfully exported your Salesforce report to an Excel sheet.